The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video I'm going to show you that how you can research on Facebook ads, Facebook live ads. So last time I have shown you the method what you can use to spy on your Facebook ads, and today I am again going to show you two different methods what you can use to spy on Facebook live ads. So this will help you to run an ad campaign on Facebook with your affiliate offer or product. So anyway, if you are new to my YouTube, so you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can also join my Facebook group Premium Share to get new and daily updates. Every day. Okay, at first you have to come over your Google Chrome web browser and go to your Chrome Web Store, and you have to type here Ads Hunter and then click on extension. So after you click on extension, you will see extension like this, Ad Hunter 3.0.2. so just click on Add Chrome and then add this extension to your web browser. So after you add this extension to your web browser, okay, you can pin this. Now come to your Facebook newsfeed. So usually our Facebook newsfeed look like this: post of our like pages, our friends, and some sponsor ads. So if you click on that extension what you add earlier, so it will help you to get only sponsor ads in your Facebook newsfeed. So you can keep it as you like. I am going to use it as manually. So after I click on enable, now it will only show you sponsor ad results. So these ads are based on the activity what I did in last 28 days. So we can easily find out the ads related to our campaign. So you can do this like this. You have to create a new Google Chrome web browser, and then you have to log in your Facebook at that same browser. You have to research for your particular product what you are going to promote, or what campaign you want to run for. You have to start searching on the thing in Google for 1 or 2 days, and then Facebook will start showing you ad based on that activities you did last 2 days. So after that you have to start that extension, and this will show you the same related all sponsor ads. So this way you can research on your product competition ad. And there is another way what you can use to research on Facebook live ads. So I give a link in the video description where you click and you will appear to this site. This site is another amazing ad spy tool. By using this tool you are able to do lots of research for your ad campaign for your product. So just simply sign up here, and then you have to go for this product spy tool. Here you can search for your product type, or you can go for the filter option. Here you can see in above that there are a lot of filter option. Here you can search your product name with name, and you can go with the category and the best selling as you want. So if you just come over and scroll down, you will see there's a product. We can find out and research how the product will show us the information. So this product so this tool will help us to show this type of product information. So suppose this is your product, and this will show you the live ads that running for this product. So you can see the people who running this campaign for this product, they are getting how much profit and for how much they are selling this product. And this tool will also help you to find out the exact profit amount, the product places where you can find out the product and how many engagement does this product gets, and add copies. Okay, this is a very good tool. What gives you the exact copy of ads and that video products. Okay, you can say just click on see more and you will able to see the exact ads for that particular product. So if you are going for free campaign, so you can just friend those people who like and share that post anyway. So you can see the targeted influencer, so you can target those influencers to promote your product. They also give you the results. So they also give you the interest targeting for that particular campaign. So this is just a bomb for your ad campaign. So I hope you liked today's video tutorial, and make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for getting new videos every day. And here in the community tab, I have posted a post on Pinterest marketing. So if you like to see Pinterest marketing, you can comment here. I will post a new video on this very soon. Thank you for watching.